Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Zazzle, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products from other companies. Zazzle is a popular platform for custom products, making it an ideal choice for affiliate marketing. Create a Zazzle account if you don't already have one. Visit the Zazzle website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information including your name and email address. Choose a password that is strong and secure. Once your account is created, explore the marketplace to get familiar with the products. Identify a niche that resonates with your interests or expertise. This could be anything from art prints to clothing or home decor. Next, apply to the Zazzle affiliate program. Locate the affiliate information on the Zazzle website. Complete the application form with the required details. Once approved, you will gain access to affiliate links and marketing resources. Start by selecting products you want to promote. Look for bestsellers or trendy items within your chosen niche. Generate affiliate links for these products through your Zazzle account. Now, it's time to create content to attract potential buyers. Consider starting a blog, a social media page, or a YouTube channel. Craft engaging content that highlights the products you are promoting. Use high-quality images and personal experiences to make your content relatable. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Be transparent about your affiliate status to build trust with your audience. Promote your content across various platforms to increase visibility. Utilize social media channels, email newsletters, and online communities. Track your performance using the Zazzle affiliate dashboard. Analyze which products and promotional strategies yield the best results. Adjust your strategy based on your findings to optimize earnings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.